area. Observe these triangles. Can you tell which triangle is the biggest and which triangle is smallest in size? Just by observation, we can say that triangle 1 is smallest and triangle 3 is the biggest in size. How did you conclude the above fact? We just compared the surface of paper enclosed by each figure. Now, observe these rectangles. Which rectangle is larger in size? Clearly, the first rectangle is larger in size because it encloses more surface than the other. From the above examples, it is clear that when we talk about size of a plane figure, we consider the surface enclosed by it. The measure of the surface enclosed by a plane figure is called its area. Just as we measure length in centimeters, meters or kilometer, mass in gram or kilogram, capacity in milliliter or liters, we measure area in square units of length. We take the area of a square of side 1 millimeter or 1 centimeter or 1 meter as the standard unit. The area of a square of side 1 millimeter is expressed as 1 square millimeter. It is written as the area of a square of side 1 centimeter is expressed as 1 square centimeter. It is written as. Similarly, the area of a square of side 1 meter is expressed as 1 square meter and it is written as. In fact, any square having each side as 1 unit, that is 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter or 1 meter, is called a unit square. To find the area, we use the graph paper. A 1 centimeter graph paper or squared paper is shown here. The area of each square is 1 square centimeter. Let us now find the area of the shaded portion. To find the area, we count the number of unit squares enclosed by it. Here the shape encloses 9 unit squares. So area of the shape is equal to 9 square centimeters. Similarly, to find the area of this shape, we count the number of unit squares enclosed by it. Obviously, this shape encloses 22 unit squares. So its area is 22 square centimeters. Now, observe this triangle. Here we see that the triangle does not cover the unit squares completely everywhere. To find the area in such a situation, we first count the number of unit squares. Here, number of unit squares is equal to 6. Now we count the number of half unit squares. So the number of half unit squares is equal to 4. Area of 4 half squares is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 4 upon 2. That is equal to 2 square centimeters. So area of the triangle is equal to 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8 square centimeters. Now let us discuss how to find the area of irregular figures. Let us find the area of this irregular shape. We proceed as shown. Count the whole unit squares enclosed by it. These are marked as there are 21 whole squares. Count the unit squares whose more than half part is enclosed. Consider it as a complete unit square. These are marked as there are 10 such squares. Now count the unit squares whose exactly half part is enclosed. These are marked as 0. There are 2 such squares. Ignore the squares whose less than half part is enclosed. So area of the given shape is equal to 21 plus 10 plus 1, which is equal to 32 square centimeters. It is the approximate area of this irregular shape.